Good morning, children. Hope all are good and fine. Alright. So today we are going to learn a poem. Okay. A poem that is about the fly. We know the fly will fly high in the sky. So when the fly is flying high in the sky, it is telling his experience. So when we fly in the high in the sky, we see all the things on the ground will be so tiny. Am I right? So the fly started when it is flying so high in the sky. It is describing the things, how it was feeling when it is watching them on the ground. Let us see the poem. First, I'll read the poem, then we will learn this meaning. How large unto the tiny fly must little things appear? A rosebud like a feather bed, its prickle like a spear. A dewdrop like a looking glass, a hair like golden wire, at the smallest grain of mustard seed as fierce coals of fire, a loaf of bread, a lofty hill, a vast, a cruel leopard, and specks of salt as bright to see as lambkins to a shepherd. Now what is the fly is telling? How large unto the tiny fly must little things appear. Now when the fly is flying high in the sky, how the things appear must be tiny and little. A rosebud like a feather bed, its prickle like a spear. So rosebud, it looks like a feather bed, very soft, so small, and its prickle like a spear. Prickle and a guchkota. Okay. And dewdrop like a looking glass. So dewdrop, a water droplet, how it is looking like? It's looking like a mirror. A hair like golden wire. So it is watching a hair. So the hair was looking like a gold color wire. The smallest grain of mustard seed as fierce coals of fire. The mustard seed was also seen very small as fierce and coals of fire. Coal ఎలా ఉంటుంది black color లో ఉంటుంది అట్లాగా the mustard seeds were looking like a loaf of bread, a lofty hill. So the loaf of bread was looking as a hill to the fly because the fly is very tiny. Okay, so the fly is very tiny, and when it is flying, all these things will be bit bigger than the fly. Am I right, children? A vast, a cruel leopard. A vast is looking like a cruel leopard. And specks of salt as bright to see. Specks of salt. Salt ela kanipistundi. It was like very bright to see. As lambkins to a shepherd. Small lambs enta white ga untayo atlaga the salt were seen. Now how the fly was flying high, what all the things it has observed, how it was flying. How large unto the tiny fly when it was feeling, must little things, how do they appear when they are flying? When the fly is flying, how the little things appear to the fly? A rosebud, when it has seen a rosebud, it was looking like a feather bed. And it's like a feather bed laga soft ga undi. And its prickle, it has thorns. A rose will have a thorns, and those thorns they prickle like a spear. Prickle ante guchkotam. A dewdrop. So dewdrop etla kaniపించింది? Mirror, as a glass laga kaniపించింది. A hair was looking like a golden wire. And smallest mustard seed, how it looked like? It was looking like a coal which we use it to fire. And a loaf of bread. Loaf of bread ante bread packet untunda, bunch of bread ni loaf of bread antamu. So the loaf of bread was looking like a hill. And a wasp, a cruel leopard. Leopard telsu kada? Yes. Wasp ante enti? A fly or a bee or anything is a wasp. It was looking like a cruel leopard. And specks of salt, it was looking as white as the lambkins. Lambkins ante small lambs, like small tiny lambs. How white the lambs will be? White as salt for the shepherd. This is about the fly. So the fly was telling when it was flying how it observed all the objects and how it was looking to the fly while flying. Okay children, so this is about the poem The Fly. Now let us underline the new words: larch, feather, rosebud, prickle, spear, looking, golden, smallest, mustard, fierce, leopard, lofty, specs, bright, shepherd, lambkins. So these are the new words you're going to underline and make a note in your notebook. Alright. Now let us see the backside exercises. Take the meanings of the underlined words. So the words have been underlined in the given sentences. You have to read it and you have to take the meaning. It's prickle like a spear. So what it was prickling? Thorn. A dewdrop like a looking glass. So what is a looking glass? When we see our face. So what is the glass? Mirror. A loaf of bread, a lofty hill. Lofty ante, is it small or a high? High. And specks of salt. Specks of salt, tiny pieces of salt. Okay, now fun time. Now we are going to write B for the things that are bigger than you and S for the things that are smaller than you. Now see the things what I have given. Identify the pictures. If you find that is bigger than you, you are going to write B. If you find that is smaller than you, you are going to write yes. Okay children, so hope you understood the poem. Complete the things that I have discussed with you. Let's meet in the next class with a new lesson from your term 3. Okay, bye children for today. Thank you.